Today, I am going to talk about the American Muggle, Mitt Romney. Seriously, the dude makes me look like a teddy bear. The guy wants to cut PBS. He wants to destroy Sesame Street. Okay, I have an announcement to make. I, Lord Voldemort, the most feared dark wizard who ever lived, I fucking love Big Bird. He's like my hero. Big Bird was going to be my inside man in my invasion of Hogwarts. Mark my words, Romney. Sesame Street will survive. You will not be elected president now. For if you are, you will receive an unwelcome visitor in the White House, and I shall punish every last man, woman, and child that tries to conceal you from me.